Good morning. Welcome, excuse me, to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life, and Walking in Circles is about reaching your goals 1/4 mile at a time. So I want to share with you, I met the most elegant woman on the street the other day, and I loved her outfit, so I had to tell her she looked amazing, just very elegant. And she stopped and proceeded to tell me that she walks every day for 3 miles, and she wears this outfit every day for her walk. She comes home, she puts it in the wash, and then she wears it again the next day. I'm always observing elegant women looking for the clues and the keys, especially since moving to Florida and trying to learn the best thing to wear, for the heat and everything. So she's wearing street clothes for her exercise, and she looks elegant and beautiful. So here, and she's 80 years old. Did I say that? So amazing. So here's the 2 things that I learned from her. She made 2 decisions once. Number 1, that she is the type of person who walks every day for 3 miles. Done. The other thing she decided is, I'm going to wear this outfit every day when I walk. Done. So the cool thing about that is it reduces all of the noise. The noise like, am I going to walk today? Am I going to do 3 miles? I don't feel like it. I'll just sleep in maybe. What am I going to wear on my walk? No. She decided all those things. And therefore, when someone stops her on the street, she can say, I walk every day for 3 miles. And I wear this outfit every day. And I wash it. And I wear it again. So, I just think that's pretty brilliant. Choosing what you're going to do. Choosing what you're going to wear. And if it makes it easier, just do the same thing. Just wear the same thing. And do it in an elegant way. That's what I learned from her. So amazing. So, do you have a goal on your mind that you're trying to decide? I know for me, sometimes I get an idea of a goal and I just let it spin in my head. Spin and spin and spin, because I want to decide how I want to go about it, or I want to decide what I'm going to wear, and you just think about it. And really, it's just a moment of saying, you know what? I'm just going to do it. Stop thinking about it and just do it. That's what I learned from her. And the decision is easy. It's fun. It's quick. But you just got to do it. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, Walking in Circles. It's Monday morning. I love Mondays. If you know me, I love Mondays. It's a fresh start. It's exciting. And I always kind of look ahead at the week and see what I want to accomplish. So that's what I wanted to share. I hope it inspires you. I hope my 80-year-old friend inspires you in some aspect, whether it is deciding to do something every day, deciding to wear something every day, or deciding just to be so elegant that people stop you on the street. Okay, I hope you have a fantastic day, and we will talk soon. Bye.